Hello everybody, welcome to my channel and today we will be reviewing the Shreya Jain X Max collection. So this collection is a limited edition from MAC. Now this collection is called Tere Naina and this is not a sponsored video. That's why I have invested my own hard-earned money in this. मैक ने और श्रेया जैन ने अनाउंस किया इस किट के बारे में। उन्होंने बताया था कि ये नायका पर अवेलेबल है एंड दैट टाइम मुझे सिर्फ इन्फॉर्मेशन पता थी कि ये सिर्फ नायका पे अवेलेबल है। सो आई वेंट ऑन नायका पे जाने के बाद ये स्टॉक आउट दिखा रहा था। माई हार्ट वाज ब्रोकन बिकॉज आई रियली वांट टू ट्राई आउट दिस किट। तो आफ्टर दैट मैंने श्रेया जैन की इंस्टाग्राम पोस्ट पे देखा कि ये नायका और पर्पल पे अवेलेबल है, तो मैं पर्पल पे भी जाके मैंने चेक किया। देन आई वाज लाइक अगेन वहाँ पे भी स्टॉक आउट है, तो मैं वापस वही पोस्ट पढ़ने लगी एंड दैट्स व्हेन आई केम टू नो दिस थिंग इज आल्सो अवेलेबल ऑन शॉपिस्टॉप। सो व्हेन आई वेंट अगेन ऑन शॉपिस्टॉप, सो जैसे ही मुझे अवेलेबल दिखा मैंने फटाक से ऑर्डर प्लेस किया एंड विद इन 2 days दिस वाज ऑन माई डोरस्टेप। सो I ordered this thing from Shopify and this collection is for 1900. Now basically the packaging of this entire collection looks really good. Shreya is looking flawless, her lipstick is flawless, her eyeliner is flawless, her skin looks flawless, and right now I'm wearing the collection lipstick and the kajal on my eyes. So the collection from inside it looks something like this. Okay, so there's a full-size lipstick, a really tiny size stroke cream, and a full-size kajal. The only thing which is bothering me, or which is like, you know, kind of me, is the fact that there is no difference in the packaging of the product. अगर मैं इसको separately भी buy करूँ, the container, the bullet is going to look the same. If I buy this thing separately also on any MAC counter, I will be getting the same tube, the same bullet. So इस collection में ऐसा कुछ खास packaging wise उन लोग ने किया नहीं, internal packaging wise. The kajal looks the same, the stroke cream looks the same, the MAC lipstick looks the same. So अगर ये कुछ collectible item होता तो शायद इसमें Max X श्रेया जैन लिखा होता या समथिंग। सो यू नो बेसिकली मैक की आदत है, उनके पहले भी कलेक्शन दिशा पटानी के साथ भी किए हुए थे। मेरे पास उसमें से एक लिपस्टिक है। तो इट्स लाइक कि आउटर बॉक्स इज़ लाइक यू नो उसकी अच्छे से मॉडलिंग की जाती है, उसकी पैकेजिंग पे बहुत ज़्यादा फोकस किया जाता है, पर जो इंडिविजुअल बुलेट लिपस्टिक होती है इट्स द सेम, इट डजंट फील एक्सक्लूसिव और लिमिटेड एडिशन। सो लेट मी ट्राई द swatches. So the first thing that we are going to see is this MAC lipstick. It looks like a bullet like any other MAC lipstick, nothing special about it or nothing limited edition about it. So this lipstick is 650 Sword matte lipstick made in Canada, and this is what the swatch looks like. Intense color, the trademark fragrance, vanilla fragrance of MAC. Beautiful shade. I have applied it on my lips and it looks really good. It's not even like too much of bright or too much of nude. There's a mixture of something in this which makes me feel like yeah, I can wear this every day or in an occasion where you know I don't have to really be the center of attraction but just be there. So I like this shade for those events. Now this shade has a very pink undertone which again attracts me a lot. I am a very pink undertone girl. So yeah, this is the shade. Then comes a kohl pencil. Now this kohl pencil is called Technicolor Liner Eyeliner Kajal. So I went on Nykaa and I saw the price of this. It's around 1450 and the lipstick is around 1700 on Nykaa. So price range wise, yeah, this is a cheap option. Like you know, if you buy this kit, ये आपको बहुत कम पैसे में पड़ेगा। It's only 1900, तो आपको almost 3000 की चीज़ें, 3000 के ऊपर की चीज़ें so 1900 already. That's a very good deal. And this is how the kohl looks like, very intense. But ये मैंने आज लगाया था जब ये पार्सल मुझे मिला था, and honestly speaking थोड़ा बहुत तो स्मज होता है, ये पूरा दिन नहीं रहने वाला। अगर आप एक्सपेक्ट करते हो कि आप सुबह लगा के शाम तक रहेगा, इट्स नॉट गोइंग टू हैपन. सो नाउ द नेक्स्ट थिंग इज अ स्ट्रोक क्रीम. दिस इज पिंक लाइट, नॉट फॉर सेल, लिमिटेड एडिशन का पैक है. दिस इज एक्चुअली स्मॉलर देन माई finger, I would say, a bit smaller than my finger. So 1900 में इतना में मिलना है, it's like a big deal. So yeah, I'll swatch this also a little bit. Now if you see stroke cream, trust me, can take out you around one or 2 months, because trust me, stroke cream ज़्यादा नहीं लगाता. So yeah, this is how all the swatches look like. Fair and enough. All in all, yeah, this is a good deal. But again, another thing that I would like to say to MAC is, like, if you're removing some sort of limited edition thing, so don't just focus on outer packaging, focus on the inner packaging also, on the components and all, because other brands like Masaba and Nykaa का collection जो निकला था, collab जो निकला था, Masaba lipsticks were really like, it was like packaging में पूरा ध्यान दिया गया था, with the nail paints and the lipsticks also. So it's high time कि MAC थोड़ा packaging पे भी ध्यान दे. They are removing limited edition so that it feels like limited edition. जिनसे तो Aladdin collection was the only collection जहाँ पे feel आया था कि wow, this is something that I want. But unfortunately at that time I didn't took it, so I still regret it. So next time अगर कभी ये collection वापस live आता है, if Aladdin 2 movie comes and it comes again on MAC counter, I will show you by it. Other than that, this collection is awesome. The lipstick is good. The kohl is like somewhat okay. It doesn't last that long. The stroke cream, as usual, I'm a big fan of stroke creams of MAC. They give the natural finish. So all in all, this entire collection is worth your money, I would say, in a way. For 1900, you're getting the best deal possible. I would say go ahead. Shreya did a very good job with selecting all the colors. Her other 2 packages also I have seen. जो बाकी के 2 kits है वो भी मैंने श्रेया जिन के देखे हुए हैं. Those are also amazing, but I already have those colors, so I didn't go for this. This is the only package जहाँ पे मेरे पास ना ही लिपस्टिक का कलर था, ना ही मेरे पास MAC की काजल थी, और ना ही मेरे पास स्ट्रोक क्रीम पिंक लाइट में था. So I went for that. I hope you like the review. You like what I am doing. So keep on watching my channel, like, subscribe and share. Thank you.